Hey guys, to my visitors, welcome to the channel. To my subscribers, welcome back. Today we have the Mudding Halo installed on a 2020 CanAm Outlander XMR. Let's get into it. Big one is actually going to mount to the outside, and then the small ones, see, these are the ones that actually came, they go on the Renegade, and they actually fit basically over the bulb. So basically the small ones mount like this on top. All right guys, what I did was dremeled right up here. Barely see it, but just enough. You don't need too much. So I did it up there like I mentioned, so that when the wires tuck in there like so, this is gonna sit flush like this. You can't see the wires. A lot of people are dremeling in other locations, but if you step back, you can't even see it. All right guys, I'm back. What we did was, to get the cigarette lighter out, you turn it to the left, keep turning. You can see how many threads that has, so it's a good amount of turning. When you get to that, you have access to the positive and negative. This is the way I wire my halos up, did on my Renegade. It's been working for multiple months now. So very simple. So when the bike's on, the halos have power. When the bike's off, the halos don't have power. You don't have to worry about a switch, an additional switch, or anything like that. So as you can see, we got all four of them in, they're all running. And what I'm gonna do is, for the mounting, undid this. Let me see if I can get you guys back there. Right here on this back wall, I'm probably gonna mount all the boxes. All right guys, we're back. So this might not be the desired way to install them, but what I did was I just dremeled out just a little bit of the notch, and so that the wires can basically fit in there. This is all sitting flush. Because what happens is, if you put the wires on there, it kind of pushes it out like that. So it'll push it out like that, basically. So what this does is it allows the wires, a place for the wires to go. And then now you can see. Little trick to the trade right here is Q-tips. Grab yourself about 100 of them. You'll be using the crap out of them. What I do is put a Q-tip underneath to hold it up so it doesn't fall down. Then also I can use a Q-tip to clean up any excess epoxy. Enjoyed that video, go ahead and drop me a like. While you're there, go ahead and sub, go ahead and leave a comment. Let's make it happen. I got tons of new content coming to the channel. This is just the beginning. Anyway, that's just another day hanging with your boy PA. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.